A horrifying video of a heartless Audi driver driving over a stray dog in Bengaluru has leaked online. Last Wednesday, a gang of stray dogs were lying in a sidewalk in a residential colony in the state capital. A white Audi driver intentionally reverses his vehicle and runs over a sleeping dog. The whole event was recorded on a CCTV camera. The automobile driver left the scene as a result of the collision. After one of the dogs was seriously injured, residents called the police. Meanwhile, animal lovers on social media have demanded harsh punishment for the Audi driver. Police have acquired CCTV video from the incident as evidence and filed an FIR based on a complaint lodged by residents. They have launched an investigation to find the culprit. Indian Journo is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journo to stay updated with the latest news.